VT, Cochineal, Carmine.
This is it, formula number 7. We're producing a large amount of the signature red today.
We add a pinch of titanium dioxide to lighten the base, as you can see in the split screen comparison. Here at the factory, we ensure quality. Observe the creamy texture here. Next, the perfectly matte finish. And finally, the smooth satin swatch.
The viscosity seems stable. Good. Increase the flow rate on line 3. As you can see on the tablet, the VT color match is confirmed for all 3 swatches. The time-lapse show the rapid cooling process. The VT quality check confirms the mold is ready for the next phase of production.
The temperature on line 3 is stabilizing now. Good. We need to maintain the current flow rate for the next batch.
Here at the VT factory, we ensure every lipstick has a flawless, high-gloss shine. Here you can see the wax richness. We maintain strict quality control on every single unit that passes through the line.
Applying the velvet red now. See how evenly it goes on.
Check the twist mechanism. Smooth rotation, no clicking. Perfect seal, ready for the box.
VT quality standard met. Hard wax, flawless finish.
VT incorporated. Stacks aligned. Moving to Sector 4.
Slowly pulling the ribbon now. The velvet slides against the gold paper. I have a special gift for you today. Let's open the tissue paper and see what's inside this box. Tapping my lips for you. Do you like this shade of pink? I think it looks absolutely beautiful. The scent of roses and amber. So delicate, so luxurious. I'm just gonna grab this box right here. There are also my keys and sunglasses in my tote bag.
The sound of the storm always brings a strange comfort.
For you.
Look at this beautiful black and gold box. It just stands out from the rest.
Now for the best part, slowly lifting the lid.
And here it is, the stunning new device.
The modern design, so sleek